Hey guys, it's Katie here, and today I'm going to share with you how to get my high converting product funnel for absolutely free. Yeah, you don't have to pay anything for this funnel. I've decided to do this for you guys. I've never done it before, and I'm just gonna go over the details, of the funnel and what you're going to be getting access to, or what assets you're going to be getting access to, and how you can get this funnel for absolutely free, as I said. And let's get started. So, some of you guys know that I recently relaunched my online business lounge offer, and you guys have probably seen it, but this is basically the funnel that I will be giving away to you guys for free. For those of you guys who want to put together your own product or your own offer and start selling it online, I believe this can absolutely transform your business, and it's gonna be, so much easier for you to put together your own funnel for your own product or offer, because you already have a funnel that you would just use and model to just basically edit and put in your own information about your own product or offer and start selling it as soon as you're done with editing and setting your own product or offer by using my funnel. All right, so this is the first page that I will share with you. This is the sales page of the online business lounge. So if we go ahead and refresh this page, I do have a pop-up that pops up within like 10 seconds when someone lands on this page, and this is a great way to collect or gather leads when you are using this funnel. So as we can see here, it's gonna pop up here. Basically, I offer them to get on a 30-minute free strategy call, and we go over their ideas, their challenges, and what they would like to to start doing online or start building out online. So I offer this for absolutely free. I'm here to help everyone who is interested in setting up their online business and who's ready to crush it online, and who's ready to invest time as well as invest money into putting together and setting their own business up online. So you will get access to this page, obviously, to this pop-up that I have. You can have your own free offer or any kind of offer for them here, but this is just a way to collect leads or to gather leads, and also to be able to follow up or have that email sequence that is following up on your behalf automatically with these leads. And the goal with the email sequence is to either get them on this call or sell them on your product or offer that you're offering. So let's go ahead and just close this for now. Once they opt in there, it basically takes them to this page where they can book a call with me. But this is just my way of collecting leads. You can obviously provide or offer them a free ebook or a free masterclass or whatever you want to offer on that pop-up, just to get their information. And in case they decide not to purchase your product right away, you can follow up with them and share with them the benefits and everything that they will be getting, and they will some of them will decide to purchase anyways, even if they did not purchase from the first time they saw your sales page. By the way, if you want to get on a 30-minute strategy call with me, go ahead and check out the link below this video. I offer it to everyone at the moment because I do want to help you guys out to build your own online business. I choose who to work with, of course. There are a lot of people who are not ready to do this, and they're not serious. So I choose who I want to work with and who I want to get on the call with. So I would just suggest you go ahead and check out the link below the video and request your call, and I will get back to you and let you know, if we are jumping on the call and going over the strategy for your personal business. I do want to help you guys out to set your own business up online and start running it and create a long-term online business for yourself, for your loved ones, to create that freedom that we all strive for. So this is the offer that I have for free for them to collect leads or gather information. So what you will be getting access to, obviously you'll get access to, and in order to get access to this entire funnel, I'll also go over all the assets and pages in this funnel. But if you want to get access to it, you will have to have a kartra account. If you don't have a kartra account yet, you can create kartra account with their trial period. So go ahead and check out the link below. Create your kartra account, and you'll also find the code to this funnel below this video as well. So what you'll need to do, you'll need to just simply take that code once you have your kartra account created. Take that code and paste it into kartra. So once you have that code copied, you will have to go ahead and get into your kartra account and go to my campaigns right here, and then available campaigns. Click on that, and then simply click on this green button, import, and paste that code in here, and just click next. And once you click next, you will be able to import this campaign that I have with all the assets, the pages and everything that I have in this funnel into your kartra account, and you'll be able to set up your own funnel or edit this funnel to set it up to sell your own product or offer. So if you need any help with setting your own product up or importing this campaign into your kartra account, if you need any help with this, again, just go ahead and click the link below this video and set up a call with me, and I can simply go ahead and go over how to start editing and put in your own funnel up, or editing my funnel and put in your own information for your own product into the funnel, so you'll be able to set it up and start selling your own product or offer online. So once your campaign is imported, you will just have to click on the three dots here and just click on deploy. And once you deploy this campaign that you've just imported, you will be able to see a pink tab right here that pops up, and you'll be able to simply follow the instructions. If you click on the pink tab here, you'll be able to follow the instructions and set your own funnel up, or edit my funnel that you already have in your kartra account if you have deployed it. So let's go ahead and go over some pages that I have in this funnel and some of the assets that I also have in this funnel. So you'll be getting access to all of the pages and all of the assets and everything that I have within this sales funnel, and you'll be able to, again, as I said, put together your own sales funnel and start selling your own things online. So let's go ahead and go to the main page. So this is the main page. Here you'll get access to all of this. You'll just have to edit it and make it your own for your own product, and then you'll have a thank you page which just says thank you for your purchase. So as soon as someone purchases your product, you'll be able to edit all of this, of course. And you'll also get access to a membership, which is obviously my course that I have within Kartra, as well as this page here where people log in to check out your course if that's what you're going to be selling through your own funnel that you'll put together. So this is just a login page to get into the membership. Then you'll also get access to the affiliate program page. So let's say you want to have an affiliate program for your product that you'll be paying out, for example, 40-50% commissions to everyone who is selling your product. So you'll get access to the affiliate program page here as well. So you'll just be able to edit it to obviously match your product. Then you'll be able to get access to these checkout pages here. I have 3 different pricing points, so you'll be able to get access to all of these pages here. Of course, you'll also get access to this page as well. If you want to set up your own calendar, I will add this asset to this funnel as well, so you'll be able to also set up your own calendar and have people, book calls with you if that's what you want for your the free offer to in order to get the lead. Obviously, it'll be up to you how you want to set this funnel up, but I will add all of the assets into the funnel that you'll be getting free access to if you use that shared code and import it into your own Kartra account. Obviously, if you have a Kartra account already, it's still gonna work for you. You will just simply copy that code and import it into your already created Kartra account. But if you don't have it, I would love for you to go ahead and just check out the link below this video and create a Kartra account through my link, because I do offer bonuses and different things for those who join Kartra. You'll also get access to the email sequence that I have put together. So let's go ahead and just take a look at the email sequence here. So basically I have a at least a 2-week email sequence that goes out, or emails that are going out to all of the leads that are opting into my funnel or into my form in the funnel. So the goal of this email sequence is to build trust and build relationship with the people who opted in with the leads, and to sell them on the Online Business Lounge, which is my product that I'm selling through this funnel, and also to get them on the call if they want to talk to me first, or if they want to discuss any other business ideas or challenges that they are experiencing. So this is just an automation that I've created where I don't have to sit there and send out emails every single day. This is running on autopilot, and people are getting my emails, opening them, and it's just creates a lot more freedom in your life when you have technology and tools working for you. And obviously you can create it with Kartra. I use Kartra for everything. Basically in my business, everything that I set up are set up through Kartra, except the merchants, which I use Stripe and sometimes PayPal, which is integrated with Kartra as well. So you'll get access to the email sequence as well. You'll be able to edit the emails, and you'll be able to write it in your own words so people know it's coming from you. And just model my funnel and model my emails, and create your own high converting funnel for your own product. I think you are going to love it. I think it's an amazing opportunity for you to finally put your own product together and start making money online with your own product. And again, if you need any help, I'm here to help you guys to put that together. Go ahead and just click the link below, if you want to jump on a 30-minute strategy call with me, or if you simply want to get that shared funnel and just start putting it together yourself, you can do so as well. So all of the assets, the tags, the lists, the forms, and everything that comes into this funnel, as well as the product setup, where you actually set up your product, the pricing points and everything, which is under my products. Here you'll be able to get access to the whole entire funnel that I have. Every asset that is a part of the Online Business Lounge funnel, you'll get access to all of that for free. So go ahead and check out the links below this video that I mentioned, and get that shared funnel code, import it into your Kartra account. If you don't have a Kartra account yet, go ahead and click the link below and get a Kartra account. You can start it as a trial. And just remember, I'm here to help you guys win. I'm here to help you guys succeed online. It doesn't matter, what it is that you're doing. whether it is affiliate marketing, creating your own product, launching your own courses and membership sites. I'm here for you guys to help you guys out with that, as well as if you want to put together your own coaching program. I'm here to help you out with that as well. Also, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family here as well. And again, I look forward to talking to you guys soon. I'll see you in the next video.